When teeth are trapped beneath the gums or grow partially into the mouth, this is called an impaction. This can occur when there isn't enough space in the mouth for teeth to emerge properly. While some impacted teeth can simply be extracted, impacted canines and other adult teeth must be guided into their proper place for a healthy and functional bite. Exposure and bonding is one of the most effective treatments for impacted teeth in children, teens, and in some cases even adults.
During this procedure, your orthodontist works closely with our team to make room for the impacted tooth to grow into the mouth. We will then carefully expose the tooth by removing overlying bone and gum tissue to attach a small bracket and chain. Your orthodontist then uses this to carefully guide the impacted tooth into its proper place.
Our main goal is to focus on the individual needs of every patient and provide them with a comfortable and satisfying experience.